Hi, I'm Steve. Today we're going to take a look at the NuAire CO2 Incubator. NuAire is a family-owned business who have been manufacturing biosafety cabinets and CO2 incubators for more than 55 years. One of the nice features that I'm going to talk about today is the visibility of the vacuum fluorescent display. You can actually see exactly what's going on from the other side of the laboratory at any time. The NuAire CO2 incubators are available in two sizes or capacities. This is the 160 litre version or model, and then of course there is the larger capacity 200 litre system. These are a direct heat air jacketed system. We do have water jacketed systems available, but generally speaking, most laboratories prefer air jacketed. I mentioned earlier that this is a direct heat system, and essentially what that means is we don't have an internal fan, so it is a natural convection, and the heating elements surround the inner chamber. Obviously you can't see them, but that's direct heating. And the beauty of the nice thing about direct heating is that you get a constant temperature from one point of the inner chamber to the next. Also, the door is heated so that you don't get any condensation build up on the inner door, the inner glass door. The chamber itself is highly polished stainless steel. And it has it's seamless, so there are no silicon joints, and the corners and edges are rounded for easy maintenance or cleaning. And obviously there are less areas for potential contamination or bugs to grow. So one of the nice features of the NuAire CO2 Incubator is the fact that it is easy to clean. And to remove the shelves, and by the way, there should be 4 shelves in here, but for the purpose of this video, I wanted to demonstrate with 2 shelves and just show everyone how easy it is to dismantle and take out all of the supports. And to clean. So these will come out like so. So all of the shelves and the shelves support can be removed easily and can be autoclaved. We have a traditional water pan system, and the nice thing about the water pan system, and obviously filling it with deionized water, is that we have a direct heat to the water source, and therefore you get accurate and consistent humidity control. The dual sterilization ranges are 95 degrees C and 145 degrees C. So a 95 is a moist heat, so we leave the water pan in with water. That gives us the condensation or the humidity to sterilize. If we want a dry heat sterilization mode, whichever you prefer, we take the water pan and water out. Important to note, these NuAire incubators can be stacked, but my recommendation is we do also offer a raised platform, which is approximately 150 mil off the ground. And the benefit of raising your incubator off the floor is when you're opening and closing the doors, particularly the inner door, you're not creating a draft or vacuum and sucking any potential contaminants off the floor. Incubation is all about contamination prevention, or the prevention of contamination. And one of the things that NuAire do that's really, really nice is that we filter all of the incoming air and also the CO2. And of course, if this system was a tri-gas system or a hypoxic system, we would also HEPA filter the nitrogen. If you'd like to know more about NuAire and in vitro technologies, and of course CO2 incubators, please contact your local representative or visit our website.